Okay, first switch on the machine, and we have to check the software version number. Okay, so just now we see that the software version number is 2.05. Okay, so in this software version number, when we have to enter into the settings, we have to press F and stop two buttons. First, press F, and then press stop. Then we can go inside the menu. So first we read cal RUL, so cal ruler. Here we have to press the as plus button one time, 2, 3. Okay, so here we read PAR parameter setting. This is in the page 4. So when we read parameter setting, we have to press F button one time to enter. Okay, so here we read THR, we press DIS plus button one time, 2 times, 3, 4, 5. When we read LAS, that means laser, and that is in the page 6. So we have to press F button one time to enter. Now we see that the laser is off. We need to turn it on. We need to enable it. So when we read LAS off, we have to press DIS plus button one time. Now we see that laser is on, and also we can see an icon LAS at below. So that means that the setting has been enabled successfully. So here we have to press F button one time. Alright, so we have to press stop button to exit. Stop button again. Alright, so after we change the setting, it is necessary we have to turn on the machine to switch it on again to do the reboot. Alright, so now I'm turning off the machine. Wait for 5 seconds and then switch it on. Alright, so you hear that this is aluminum wheel. So I'm going to measure 2 positions. First position and then second position, and then the machine will go automatically go to the ELS2 program, so we can use the laser function. So we just make a check and make sure that the laser is working after we turn it on, enabled. Okay, so now I'm going to operate in the laser function. Pull out and measure first position, second position. Okay. So now we can see it is reading ELS2 programs. Okay. And it is reading LES. So I lower down the wheel guard. Okay, so it's reading both inner and outer. So we try to pull the wheel by hand, and then that's when the inner side, the LED light is full, we press the pedal, and we see that here that is 6 o'clock has a laser, so we have to put, let's say, 25 grams here at 6 o'clock, 25 grams. Okay, so the outer side, if we want to put on the stick-on weights, we have to pull by hand. Find the position when all the LED lights are full, for example, like this. Okay, and then the laser will projecting, and we have to put 25 grams here, down at 6 o'clock, by the laser. So now we can make sure that machine is in the ALS2 programs and laser function has been enabled. And even though we switch out the machine, and the setting will always be remembered. And yeah, so now it is okay and ready.